Hi everybody, welcome to Now You're Cooking in downtown Bath, Maine's premier kitchenware store. We're going to be doing a series of in-store virtual shopping videos for you in case you can't take advantage of our appointment shopping right now. Hopefully we'll be open for everybody pretty soon. We're still doing curbside and phone orders. You can reach us at 207-443-1402 or by email at sales@acook'semporium.com. So send us any, if you see anything today that you want to purchase, or if you see anything in future videos, just let us know and we'll be happy to put orders together for you. So, dzień dobry. We're starting out with Polish Pottery, which is one of our most popular items in the store. Most of the pieces, as you can see, have blue on them, which is of course perfect for Maine summer cottages or homes because it's so evocative of both the ocean and our beautiful blue sky. There are some pieces, such as this one right here, which is called unikat. It's hand painted, and we sometimes can get in some matching pieces, but a lot of times we just get one or two, so we have to kind of make them fit with your collection. I have a whole ton of Polish pottery at home, and I love setting my table. Everybody gets their own special plate because everything's different, and I love the look of that rather than trying to match. If you do like to have matched ware, there's certainly some patterns that we generally get quite a lot of. This one that has the blue roses, nice swirly pattern. We've got some of these guys here. This is a butter dish. It's got some pretty white flowers with some yellow detailing on that. This is an unikat piece, oops, with the flowers and the ladybugs, and that's another beautiful pattern. But we're happy to put together some stuff, and we can take pictures and email them to you or text them to you, which we're happy to do. Another one of my favorites is this really bright yellow with the blue, which is very summery and warm. And lots of different kinds of mugs. There are the bubble mugs, and we have latte mug here. There are the chili and soup bowls, the nice big handle on them. Lots of other fun things that you can add to your collection. And so that's pretty much it for our Polish ware. Do widzenia. Be in touch. Thanks.